Question 10 is rather unusually a second question on logic, but the good news is it is fairly straightforward. We've got two statements, P, which is it can go wrong, and Q, which is it does go wrong. And we're asked in part A to write down in symbolic form, if it does not go wrong, then it cannot go wrong. So the first thing to look at is this, if it does not go wrong, then. So from that, we can start to put together the symbols, because that is an implication. So if it does not go wrong, so does not go wrong is Q. So if Q, then. So what that's going to look like is this. If Q, then, and we can now have a look at the then bit. So if it does not go wrong, then it cannot go wrong. So if you look at P, P is it can go wrong. So it cannot go wrong must therefore be not P. So in symbolic form, if it does not go wrong, then it cannot go wrong is going to be Q implies not P. Next, then, write down in words the argument P implies Q. So that's going to be, again, it's an implication, if P, so if it can go wrong, then Q. And Q is it does go wrong. And the next one then, write down in words the inverse of P implies Q. So the inverse is just to negate both of these. So instead of having if P, we have if not P. So if not P in this context is if it cannot go wrong, then, and again here, instead of having Q, we want not Q. So if it cannot go wrong, then it does not go wrong. And that's it.